Is this a cool or what? Alright, I'm gonna turn the light up a little bit. Just not all the way, where you can still see the creepiness. So, hello guys, welcome back to another day in 31 Days of Halloween. If you're new here and don't know what I'm talking about, in October, all 31 days, I upload a different Halloween look. So today we turned ourselves into the Purge mask. By the way, sorry about the background noise. It's hella hot. I gotta have my fan on. I'm really sorry. Anywho, today we turned ourselves into the Purge mask. I can't remember what movie this is from. Hang on. I got you. It does not say. Just the LED Purge mask. Cristado. It doesn't say which Purge this is from. Okay, well, it's this one. It's the one with the LED lights on it. I was going to order a black light, but it wasn't going to be here in time for when I wanted my video to be up, so skipped it. Yeah, so this video was actually requested by a girl I work with. Her name is Alexis. She's very, very sweet. She was helping me like plan out some of my days for Halloween, and she requested this. There's another video she requested that will be going up later this month. But for right now, we turned ourselves into a creepy ass Purge mask. I really like this idea. Once again, you can order UV activated paints off of Amazon for like 15 bucks for a bunch of them, and a black light, like little black light flashlight. They're not very expensive. Like I said, mine just wasn't gonna be here in time, so we skipped it. This is a way simpler way to do it without having to spend any money if you have an obscene amount of makeup like I do. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you do, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start this look out with our face makeup and eyebrows already on, which is helpful. You can also do this with your mascara already on from the day. I'm going to go in with a NYX white eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to start tracing out my mask. I would definitely suggest putting down a white base first, just so your pink or green or blue or whatever color you're wanting to do shows up a lot more vibrant. This eyeliner kind of sucked and it kept breaking, so I do end up switching to a NYX jumbo pencil in milk, but I'm just looking at a reference picture that's beside me on my iPad and tracing out this whole mask. One thing I will say is that the mask is not connected on the sides of your face like on your cheek. I just connected it to keep everything a little more symmetrical. I also totally forgot to put on a lip. I just used Mannequin from Jeffree Star, but I think this would look so freaking cool with the black lip with the hot pink over it. I'm just saying, it's an option. Whenever you get done with your lip though, I did switch over to my jumbo pencil in milk, and I'm just going through and making the rest of the mask. I'm thickening some lines where I want to, and just kind of tweaking this until I'm happy with the shape of my mask, skull, face situation. I think the most recognizable thing from this Purge mask is the X's over your eyes and over your mouth, like the kind of stitched up looking mouth. I did 3 straight lines over my lip and then 2 X's on either cheek to create a stitch mark, and then obviously over your eyes we'll have the X over it. This is a little difficult if you have hooded eyes like me, but I kind of managed. It doesn't have to be perfect because once again we're going to cover this up. It's literally just a base to make colors more vibrant. Once we have our map down, I go in with a hot pink on a little smudgy pencil brush. I started out with this one from the Morphe and Jeffree Star palette, and it wasn't quite as vibrant as I was hoping for, so I end up going in with Trisha out of the Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star. This does have a little shimmer in it, and I think that just adds to it being more neon, vibrant, LED situation looking. So I'm just taking that on the smudge brush. Sorry, I suck at voiceovers. I end up just taking that on that smudge brush and going over all of the white, and the cool thing about the milk jumbo pencil from NYX is it's very creamy, so it all just kind of blended together and made it look a little more seamless. Once you're done with all of your hot pink, I did not have a sharpener to sharpen my jumbo pencil back down to a very fine point, so I'm just going in with a flat shading brush and a matte white eyeshadow. This is just going to create a little bit of a highlight over it to create more of an LED effect. So I'm just going in the center of that thick pink line and creating a small white, but it's kind of blending into a light pink, which is totally fine, line all the way around my face. To add on to this and make more depth and create a more 3D effect, I'm now going in with a Mayron Paradise paint in white and a tiny little paintbrush, and I'm putting an even wider white line over it. You don't have to have the Paradise paints or any special kind of water activated or alcohol activated paint. I go in a moment with a NYX liquid white eyeliner, and I actually prefer that over the paint for this look. But you just want to go in with something white and liquid and very stark and create your LED light moment thing. Now I'm just going back in once I have all of the white pretty much based out, and I'm just creating a little bit of a thicker line where I think I need it. Kind of the thicker this is, the more LED it makes it look. So, I mean, I'm just going back in with my pink and kind of fudging my line where I want it a little thicker. This is just trial and error. This does not have to be a spot-on replica of the actual mask. Totally optional. I'm going in with some hella thick, hella long, over dramatic lashes, and I'm just gonna glue those down. You don't have to do this. You can just go in with your regular mascara if you want to, but I'm extra. You know how we be. So once you're done with all of that, this is the finished look. I really freaking like it. I'm just saying, I think it came out cool. Thank you, Alexis. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you once again to Alexis for requesting it. You're so precious. And yeah, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe to me. Bye guys.